Hospitals are great places for politicians, especially prime ministers, to do a little bit of PR. Look at a piece of new equipment, for example, or talk to a doctor or some nurses, and then visit a patient or two, as the press take lots of film and photos. But be warned, there can be a surprise patient or situation that rears up to let them know what a bad job they're doing. Like here with newly ordained Prime Minister Rishi Sunak being told to give nurses a raise.
And they've looked after you really nicely?
Yeah, they always do.
Yeah.
It's a pity you don't pay them more.
Well, we are trying.
No, you're not trying. You need to try harder.
Right, I will take that away. Yeah. No, well, they are a very nice team there, aren't they?
They are, but it's important because they do very hard work.
They do very good work.
Or here, with the then Health Minister, Steve Barclay.
They're not being able to provide it in the way they want to provide it because the resourcing is not there. You know, like I said, on Monday we were due to be in, and the number of people coming through the door is too many, and it's not fair to blame it on the pandemic anymore, is it? Because actually, we had problems in the NHS before we went into the pandemic. We were short of doctors, we were short of beds going into the pandemic, so I think it's really wrong to blame it on the pandemic, and actually the damage that you're doing to families like myself is terrible, because it was agony for us as a family, waiting for that call and preparing our children for their sister and her hospital visit to then for then it to be cancelled. And I know you look and we're all numbers, but actually we're people waiting for care.
Of course. Well, there's a problem myself on that.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So,
and I think this problem with beds, a lot of it's the health and social care, isn't it? We have people that can't get into health and social care and are taking up beds. So until you as a government prioritise health and social care, we're not going to free up the already limited number of beds. And I want to reiterate, the staff are absolutely incredible. We're so lucky as a nation to have this NHS.
Here we see Boris Johnson looking rather uneasy as he gets cornered in a corridor and gets a right earful.
There are not enough people on this ward. There are not enough doctors. There are not enough nurses. It's not well organised enough. The NHS has been destroyed. It's been destroyed. It's been destroyed. And now you come here for a press opportunity.
well, actually, there's no press here.
What do you mean there's no press here? Who are these people?
Sir, we need to stop raising the
I'm the hospital chief executive. We're here to actually here to find out what we can do further to this.
Well, that's not going to fix things now. It's a bit late, isn't it? I mean, years and years of this NHS being destroyed. And you're telling me there's no press here? Well, there's no press here.
As far as I'm aware, this is not
This isn't a press opportunity. You didn't invite the press here. You didn't ask them to come. You don't have a press handler back there. Okay, well, fine. Well, in your la la land, believe whatever you want. Thank you.
But it's not always patients or visitors giving the politicians an earful. Doctors can kick off too, like here with Cameron and Clegg in the middle of a photo opportunity.
Hello. You had a loss there. Sorry, just a minute. Excuse me, I'm the senior orthopaedic surgery in this department. Why is it that we're all told to walk around like this, and these people that I'm dead to it?
You can talk to me about it.
No.
Why don't you?
I still mean it.
No, absolutely. No, I agree. Because we're all taking our ties off. I think
We'll come back.
I'm not having it. Out.
Sorry, guys. Can we just
Sometimes even standing outside a hospital will get you heckled.
That plan for jobs has protected.
Are you going to
many
do
businesses.
anything about the ambulances waiting and the people dying out? Well, don't you think 12 years is long enough?
Yes, and we are
12 years,
taking...
you've done bugger all about it. People have died and all you've done is nothing.
Click here for when Labour MP Ian Lavery had a heated debate with Boris Johnson.